Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to create a membership website using WordPress in 2025 step by step. Whether you want to create a paid community, online course site or exclusive blog, this guide will get you up and running fast. Let's get started. If you already have a WordPress site, skip to the next step. If not, get a domain and hosting. I recommend using a provider like Bluehost or SiteGround. Most offer one-click WordPress installs. Once installed, log into your WordPress dashboard at yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Now, to manage memberships, we will need a plugin. Some popular options in 2025 are MemberPress, premium but powerful; paid memberships Pro, freemium, Restrict, Content Pro, Sure Members, Lightweight plus Flexible. For this tutorial, I will use paid memberships Pro since it has a solid free version. So go to plugins, then search for paid memberships Pro. Then hit enter. Choose that. Then install and activate it. Now go back to dashboard, then membership labels, then click add new label. Give your label a name like free, premium or gold access. Set pricing, bill cycles and access duration. Tip: you can create unlimited labels, each with unique pricing and access rules. Now go to memberships, then settings, then payment gateway and SSL. Choose a gateway like Stripe or PayPal. Add your API keys to connect your account. This allows you to charge members securely. Let's control who can see what when editing a page or post. Scroll down to the require membership box. Choose which level can access this content. Show a premium content uh, page restricted to premium members. Paid memberships Pro creates default pages like member login, register and account. You can customize these from pages all and add this page to your main menu by going to appearance, then menus. Use a theme that supports memberships like Astra, Cadence or Hello with Elementor. You can design pages using Elementor uh, or your favorite builder to make them look clean and professional. Try try registering as a member. Check your payment process and make sure restricted content behaves as expected. It's best to test with both free and paid labels. You can enhance your site with email automation using MailPoet or MailChimp. Community features with Buddy, Boss or BBPress. Courses using LearnDash or Tutor LMS. Analytics with Monster Insights or Jetpick. And that's how you build a full featured membership website using WordPress in 2025. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of site you are building. Thanks for watching.